This time we're supposed to convert decimal numbers to octals. Again, we are going to use exactly the same concept of conversion like we had with the hexadecimal and with binaries. So what we're supposed to do in order to convert decimal number to octal, you're supposed to simply divide the decimal number by the base of the octal number system. Means you have to divide by 8. 27 divided by 8 is equal 3.375. Next, you're supposed to take the decimal part of this number and multiply it by 8, by the base of the octal system. So I have 0.375. I simply copied just this part of the number, and I have to multiply this by 8. 375,000 times 8 is equal 3. Next, you're supposed to take the whole part of the number and again divide by 8. 3 divided by 8. Please notice that anytime numerator is less than the denominator, you're supposed to simply copy the numerator to the side. And basically this is end of my division. And just keep in mind that the bottom digit is the most significant digit and the top one is the least significant digit. That's why your answer is 33 base 8. Other words, 27 base 10 is equivalent to 33 base 8. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to perform the division. I have 94 divided by 8. 94 divided by 8 is 11.75. You're supposed to take the decimal part of this number and multiply by 8. So 0.75 times 8 is equal 6. Take the whole part and again divide by 8. 11 divided by 8 is equal 1.375. Again, take the decimal part of this number and multiply by 8. So 0.375 times 8 is equal 3. Next, you're supposed to take the whole part again and divide by 8. But anytime you have numerator less than the denominator, you simply copy the numerator to the side. And keep in mind that the bottom digit is the most significant digit and the top one is the least significant digit. That's why my final answer is 136 base 8. And this is the solution to my problem.